I started in 2015. Then every Saturday, Sunday we used to go to Sinhagad farmhouse, and then we started 3 p.m. and we completed 3 p.m. on next day. So this is residential. But then what was happening is it was not giving the required transformation which I wanted to see. So people used to be connected. So 240 people, 40 benches, they are connected till today for last 5 years. But now I am changing a format. What I am doing is now I am doing a 5 weeks instead of 1 day. So that every week you learn something and then implement, come here, share, get a feedback, I'm on the right track or not. And then by end of the 5th year you make a blueprint of it. It's like a success blueprint and everything. Then implement and see what is happening, and then weekly meetings we call as a fast track group here. So if it helps, it will. And what we are trying to do here is we are trying to define a system. So your problem is different, my problem is different, but the system will work. And if you have a system and if it doesn't work, and you can go back and look into the system, what has not worked with me. And the whole problem is that it's not that we are not successful. We are all successful. We are not consistently successful. Sometimes I am successful, sometimes I am not successful. Sometimes I am better performance, sometimes I am not a better performer. Sometimes I am very good mood, sometimes I am very bad mood. This makes average. And that's how life is average. So the whole point, if you see the people who are truly driving their life through passion or work or whatever is there, you will find that they are always consistent and above average. So the average itself is above. And majorly what we are targeting is for the employees right now. Because those is the masses where they get trapped. Initially they are extremely happy learning, and then 5 years, 10 years down the line, the dream part and the career part. So if nothing is done on the dream part, then basically it starts stress.